Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove an Instagram account from your account list. Now I have made this video before, like a few months ago, and it worked for a lot of people, but this video is out of date, so that's why I'm making this video. Guys, I want to show you a new way on how you can remove an Instagram account from your account list. Now if you can drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. Let's get started right now. Now you want to go to your Instagram account, and then you want to click the username in the top left so that you can select the account that you want to remove from your account list. I want to remove this account. Okay, this is the account that I want to remove from my account list. As you can see, this is the account. Okay, you want to click on three little lines in the top right. Okay, and then you want to click on settings, and after that, guys, you want to click on security, and then you want to click on saved login info, and then you want to toggle this off. Okay, now after, guys, you toggle this off, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to scroll down, and then after you toggle that off, you want to go back to your own profile, and then you want to click again on three little dots in the top right, and then you want to click on settings. It's not dots, it's lines. Okay, sorry, you want to click on three little lines and settings, and then you want to scroll down, and then you want to click on log out. Okay, now after, guys, you click on log out, you want to make sure you only toggle on accounts that you want, but this account, as you can see, I have toggled this off, so you don't want to toggle this you don't need to toggle this on. Okay, because we have toggled this off because we don't want this account anymore. We want to remove it from our account list, and then you want to click on log out. I don't know why okay, you want to click on log out, and you want to click on trace the gear in the top right, and then this is the account. Okay, this is it. Now you want to click on it, and then click on remove profile, click on remove, and this account will be removed from your account list. Now you want to go back, and then you can then log in without any problem with your other accounts. Okay, this is what I mean. Now this is exactly, guys, how you can remove your Instagram account from account list. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. So you will need to toggle on only accounts that you want and toggle off accounts that you don't want. See you guys.